Thank you for the hat.
Stream is starting, the Captain Coder at the helm. Bean water is ready. Today we will learn a lot. He loves the questions, he loves to sing. Join our Discord and follow him.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you. Captain Coder here on this beautiful Monday. Thank you so much for the hat, Redeem Marshall, Code Monk. Welcome back to the scene. Welcome back to the stream. Great to have all you beautiful people here. What a weird, it feels weird to be streaming. It's 2:40 in the afternoon for me. I'm so used to, it's like 12 hours. It's almost 12 hours after my normal streaming time. Almost 12 full hours. It's very weird. Feels very strange. Pustek says almost say goodnight to me. Yeah, it's very odd. Happy to have a bonus stream. I'm happy to have I've been dying to play some more of these Game Jam games. Been getting myself, been doing classwork, getting prepped for class last couple days, staying up, not way too late, I suppose, but staying up late enough that I've been quite sleepy. 1 second, I gotta close, have some weird notifications coming up on my screen. Boom, close, go away, Steam. No one wants you. That's not true. I love Steam. Happy to be here with a bonus stream. So glad to be here, folks. What are we going to do today? What are we going to have going on? Pustek, thank you so much for being here. CodeMonk, welcome back. Marshall, wonderful to have you. Peace on Mars. I'm so excited to hear that you're excited about Mechanically Challenged. No pressure if you can't get in by May 1st. You can actually submit it anytime. The idea isn't necessarily to make it a competition, a little bit, but it's just a little bit of an incentive to get people in there. But to more than anything, it's to get you to practice creating stuff and then share how you achieved it with all of the other people. Streaming all kinds of hours now. Zuperdan, I didn't stream this morning, so and I wanted to play. I figured, I'm gonna play some of these. I might as well stream it. I'll be playing for another about probably 3 hours here. 2.5, 3 hours. We'll see what happens. We'll see how it goes. Can you explain what is Mechanically Challenged? I can explain what Mechanically Challenged is for those of you who weren't here. For those of you not in the know, Mechanically Challenged is a program. Oh, my screen's not showing here. Mechanically Challenged is a programming challenge Muniz came up with. Muniz and I are hosting this challenge. The idea being that we want to create a collection. We want to create a collection of tutorials, examples on how to implement a variety of game mechanics. This month, we're going to try and do it every month. This month, the mechanic that you're challenged to implement is drop through platforms. Platforms that you can fall through one direction. If you hold down and press jump, you'll jump through it, and then you can jump back on it. So you'll need to be able to figure out how to make this happen. 2 people will win prizes for their submissions. So you don't have to do it in Unity. The idea is you do it in a programming language, in an engine of your choice, and we're gonna have a repository full of those examples. And then Muniz and I are each gonna pick one solution, one submission, and award you with an educational mechanic. If you produce a solution that we think is particularly educational, particularly good example for learning from, you could win $50. So 2 $50 prizes on that. If you want to watch a video all about it, there's a link to that video here. But be sure to check it out. Thank you so much for asking. Zuperdan, I hope I don't keep you up. I hope you're able to get some rest. If you need to get some sleep, go for it. But thank you for popping in. Thank you for your lurk if you're going to lurk. Red Murr, thank you for the lurk. I know it's a weird time to be at a Captain Coder stream, but we're going to see how we do. We're going to see how things go. It's going to be a good old time. This tea is way too hot to drink. I keep burning myself. I'm used to drinking hot coffee in the morning. Tea is always hotter than coffee because it's boiling, whereas the coffee steeps through. Coffee's hot too, but not quite as hot. We're going to play some jam submissions, folks. What are we doing? Pustek, did that kind of answer your question? I hope it answered your question. No, nothing was happening, so I thought I'd hit the sack. Now something's happening. Zuperdan, something happening. It's happening. Smab, see what happens when schools are on holiday? Random streams, I know. Smab, I decided I was gonna play this. I want to play some. Look, there's so many entries. So many entries to play. So little time. Come on, let me zoom in there. There we go. Oh, let me zoom in. Why won't I zoom? I got so many entries to get through. And I figured I might as well record it. Might as well stream it. Might as well hang out with the crew. Happy to hear that. And maybe, just maybe I'll take part. Pustek, I hope you will. And just help contribute to that environment. All right, we're going to do the web browser ones that have the least ratings that we're sorted by. If you have an entry you want us to check out, feel free to exclamation point. Oh, we actually have an entry here. MEOOP suggested one. It doesn't have to be your entry, but let's see which entry Emmy suggested. I'm going to check off screen real quick just in case I've already rated this one. Let's blur that screen just in case. Okay, I haven't played this one. Shrine of the Fox. Funo Corono. Congratulations on your number 7. Welcome back to the stream. Great to have you here. Shrine of the Fox. So this was recommended. This isn't MEOOP's, but it was recommended by MEOOP. Let's create a timestamp here. Shrine. Thank you for the hat. Let's get another hat added to this stack. Boom. Not boom yet. Boom. Oh, bonus hat. One hat. One hat. Hang on. Two hats. There we go. Boom. Nailed it. Nailed it. Got to keep that head warm because, you know, in 2 in the afternoon, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, it's not hot enough. It's not hot enough. Got to stay warm. Shrine of the Fox. Thank you so much for the hat redeem. I appreciate it. We're going to do an entry here. Copy that link. Video. Let's do a timestamp. Boom. Click it. This is Shrine of the Fox at 11:23. Salty Echo. You're so salty, you know I want to say thank you for being here. Salty Echo, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the crew. Happy Monday, my friend. We were playing some jam game entries here, folks. Shrine of the Fox, here we go. Love the tune, I love you. I love you. My short entry for the Dungeon Crawler Jam 2024. Various models were sourced. Skill action icons, character portraits were AI generated. All right, that's what we got. That's what we got. Let me turn off my music, see if there's any sounds in the end. Desktop music on. It's a Godot game. I always get nervous on Godot web entries. They tend to be a little bit iffy sometimes. We're gonna give it a shot. Hero Fox. Welcome back to the stream. Shrine of the Fox. Left. I love. All right, look at this. They did it right. Look, they put it in the game. I'm gonna screenshot that just in case I need it. Put it on the other screen. Left click to use, AD to strafe, WS move, forward, backward, QE to rotate. All right. All right, so one little note. When you do a game jam entry, when you do a game jam entry, I just heard a little sound. That was interesting. Let me go to my page here. One thing you can do, I'm not sure if you're aware of it, there is this full screen button option that if you add into your game, if you select this, and you can edit this post jam, it'll put a little full screen button down here so you don't have to play in a window on the web. May or may not have been intentional. Let's check it out. Shrine of the Fox. Shrine of the Fox. I heard a bleep. I heard a blip. Did someone redeem a hat? I thought I heard something. If I missed a hat, let me know. All right, here we go. Oh, let me put this in the chat as well. Let's pin this. This is Shrine. Oh, it's my Ko-Fi. I don't know why the Ko-Fi bot doesn't put it on there. Thank you. Let's double check. I gotta see it. That makes sense. I thought I heard something. Ko-Fi. Let's check it out. Sorry. I don't know why the Ko-Fi bot doesn't send me notifications anymore. Oh boy. Oh boy, it's not going to let me log in here. Oh, that's why. Hang on. Let me blur this in case something terrible happens. 1 second. Let's double check it. Ooh. I appreciate the support there. Let's check it out. I missed it. I can't believe I missed it. Let's check it out. Poostack, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your assistance. Thank you, I appreciate it. New stream time just today. I didn't stream this morning. I've been wanting to play more. Poostack, we love you, my friend. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for being here. All right, this is Shrine of the Fox. All right, there it is. Let me pin that to the chat. Why won't you pin? Let's try again. All right. I'm going to update my timestamp marker because we went way after. This person's going to be like, what's going on? And they're going to come watch this and realize, okay, let's update my timestamp here. This is actually 1500. Here we go. Shrine of the Fox. Play. Michael says, let's find our way to the Fox Shrine and get this over with. This place gives me the creeps. I love that the dialogue is timing out. There's a close button if I want to. All right, Michael's got some toilet paper with him. Okay. Always good to bring a little toilet paper when you're going on a dungeon delving adventure. So we got a knife, some toilet paper. We got a bow and and poking attack. We got the bow and poke attack. We got lightning and imbibe. Excellent, excellent. All right, let's check it out. We got Michael, Preston, and Nathan. The perspective is not what I would expect in most. The controls are very snappy. I love that. I love that it chunks into place. One thing that you typically want in a dungeon crawler is you want to be able to see the floor. So I can't see the floor. May not be important this one. One thing I do like about the perspective, I can see the wall to my left here. So I can see that there's a wall to my left, there's a wall to my right. I can correctly discern the tile in front. Oh, can I see that? No, I can't see the floor in front of me. Super Dan, thank you for the queue up there. We'll check it out. The hat transfer. I think we can get a hat overflow, people. Maybe. Hellraiser, welcome back to the stream. Who stack? Let's get another hat added to this stack. Boom. Boom. Hellraiser. Get a bonus hat on there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So many hats. All the hat. All the hat. Super Dan with the bonus hat. Let's get another hat added to this stack. You guys going for it? Who stack with a bonus hat? You guys want to destroy me so early in the stream? Only a few minutes in, and we already got. All right. There we go. Thank you for all the hats. Thank you for all the hats. Got to get that. Oh, Hero Fox with another hat. Got to get that. Those neck muscles. Got to get those neck muscles nice and taken care of. Thank you for all the hats. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Oh, Slipper hat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get another hat added on here. All right. All right. There we go. Might have to zoom out a little bit here to fit them all. Nosh Redden, we got a couple hats. Just a few. Not that many hats. You know, the normal number of hats that a person might wear. Thank you for the hat, Redeem. Thank you for the hat, Redeem. Let's get another hat added to this stack. Just the normal number of hats a person might wear on a stream. You know how it go. You know how it be. You know how I do. An out of hat exception. Yeah. All right. Thank you for the bonus hats. Hellraiser, let's get another hat added to this stack. All right, we got this. We got this. Look, we can do it. Oh, hang on, I forgot to switch. We got two more bonus. All right, so one hat. All right. All right, got one. Get another one on here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, perfect. Hat stack overflow imminent. Look, you just got to, Super Dan, you just got to believe. You just got to believe that we're doing okay. Okay. Which direction was I going? I think I'm still going the correct direction. Okay. Not sure if I can reach that lever. Skydriver, I'm doing absolutely wonderful. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, beautiful Monday. Back at school. All right. Does he have... Okay, so he has... Preston has the poke button that lets us pull things. Tiptoes for the win. Tiptoes for the win. Okay, so we pulled the lever. We pulled the lever. I think that opened this path or this path? One of these two. I wasn't paying enough attention. Oh. Ooh, nice little shader. Nice little filter on this. Michael says, you should use your sword, or Preston can use his bow, or I can use my magic to defeat this monster. Okay, nice little tutorial there. Nice little tutorial. Let's get another hat added to the stack. All right. All right, we got another hat. Let's get a hat added to the stack here. Thanks for the hat. Now I'm a wizard. Now I can start dungeon delving for real here. Thank you for the hat, Skydriver. Thank you for the hats. Nice try, Poo Stack. 3-hour cooldown on that per person. Okay, so I can bow him. Oh, he's coming. He's a coming. Okay, so it's real time. It's real time. All right, 2 arrows all it took. I like that there's a cooldown. There's a little number there. This dungeon may not be so hard after all, Michael says. Thank you, Michael. That's what I was thinking. Uh-oh. Look at that swagger. Look at that. I almost called him an elephant. Look at that skeleton swagger. Boom, skeleton swag. That skeleton ain't got nothing on me. All right, longer cooldown. Hopefully does more damage. The enemy doesn't seem to be moving on the grid. We're going to find out it like kind of cutting through the wall. Bonus hat. Let's get another hat added to the stack. Thank you for the hat. Thank you for the hat there. We're gonna look, these hat stacks getting pretty tall, so we're gonna put this one on here, and we're gonna use this to stabilize. So we got our hat stabilizing hat. There we go. So we got the hat stabilizer. Look, I'm figuring it out. It's got our hat stabilizer. Thank you for the hat, Redeem. All right. So look, we happened once. I moved too fast, and the hats all went flat. Look, it's good for my neck. It's really good for my... Ow. All right. We're going to calm down there. All right. We're going to come down this hallway. All right. Let's see if that one doesn't have a head. Let's see if the skeleton comes through the wall. Because it did, you were right, Zuperdan. It seemed like it may not have been working. Okay. It does look like it, for the most part, tries to follow the wall. It just cuts that corner a little bit tight, right? Gotcha. Let's not lose our head, but I don't. Here may still be some danger. Okay. So that one didn't have a head. Nice little joke. Nathan with the jokes. Nathan with the jokes. All right. Thanks, Nate. All right, we got a statue. Clicked on it. What is this? It's a wolf. Oh, that's a fox. That must be the fox. What does the fox say? Oh no, what happened? Did I go through it? When I clicked on it, should I take a closer look at the statue? Okay, the wall behind me has closed. I'm trapped. Security's knocking from the hat overflow attack can still push for the OOHE, though. It's true. You can try and get that out of hats exception. All right. Closer look. Let's poke it. Listen. I hear a door opening. All right. I would love to have some sound, or maybe I'm missing the sound. Sound effects or music would really add to this. The controls, the movement feels great. We did get a door open there. Let's take a look, make sure there's no other doors. Okay, only one way to go. Let's do it. Down the hallway. Holy smokes, what in the world is this? Uh-oh, it's coming for me. I like that I can kite these things. They got nothing on me. Michael, your job is to sit there and look pretty. Whoa. Never encountered a portal before. Let's check it out. Let's. Okay. I'm in the void. That. I can see. This is interesting. I don't know if this is supposed to be. Let's see if I can. Can I kill you? Can I shoot these things? Blast them? Okay. That is definitely a little bit of a bug that I can get to these monsters this way. I think I was supposed to start. Yeah, I think I got teleported one off, as in like off by one air. That wasn't a normal portal. We're inside of some. It looks living. I like the textures. It looks like we're inside of something living. What's that? Would recap? You broke the game. Look, I know how to break things. I'm a breaker. Breaker 9, Breaker 9-1. I guess we know where that weird monster came from. Okay. My strategy has been to choose a wall fall. We're going to follow the right wall. All right. Might be too far away to hit that guy. All right. Come on, Nate. All right, I think I'm too far. Yeah, so I trigger that guy. They have like a distance at which they will follow you. Living dungeon theme. Yeah, that's right. Look, Zuperdan, that's what I wanted. I had my idea for the living dungeon was going to be to make it so that players, it would be a town. There'd be like a central hub. I wanted to make it semi-multiplayer. There'd be a central hub, and that in that hub you could buy like items to build your own dungeons, and then each player could find a spot in a mountain and stake a claim on a dungeon and build out their own dungeon. That's what I wanted. I had no way I could have finished that in 9 days, but so probably a good thing that that theme didn't come through. But that was going to be how I would approach Living Dungeon. 9 days. Look, I'm way too ambitious. 9 days. All right, this is going to be a tricky dungeon. I don't think I can just follow the right wall. Notice this little chunk of the map here. If I followed just the right wall, I would miss that. So I gotta. Oh, geez, he's coming. He's a cute little blob. Get stuck on the wall. Yeah, die. You know, do you ever feel like maybe we're the bad guy? This must be the mother tentacle. Let's hope we can get out after this. Oh, we found the mother tentacle. Does anyone ever feel like maybe we're the bad guy? We came here uninvited, as far as I can tell. It's a big tentacle. I think we came here uninvited. And we're just... Boom! Got it. This better be the way back home. Thank you for playing. Michael, Preston, and Nathan safely made it home. No one would believe their otherworldly story. All right, short, sweet, simple, has combat, has magic, has range attacks, has monsters, has a creepy dungeon. Solid little entry. Nice entry. Shrine of the Fox. Movement was perfect. Perspective could be a little bit better. Pretty good. Great little entry. For a game jam. Vertical slice, exactly. You know, you made a thing that does a thing and can play it. There's a weird little bug where I could get into a weird spot, but solid entry. I played it. I liked it. What else can I say? What else could you ask for? Play it, liked it, simple, straightforward. Nice work. All right, we're going to move on to the next one. Super Dan suggests Ruins of the Lineage. Let's make sure I don't think I've played this one yet. I just want to make sure. All right, Ruins of the Lineage. I have not played this one. Let's get this downloaded. We are going to add this a timestamp. Ruins of the Lineage. I suggest because I liked the comment. Nice. Ruins of the Lineage. Here it is. This is what we're playing right now. This is what we're playing next. Let's pin that bad boy up there. Let's add a timestamp. Ruins of the Lineage. Entry. Boom. Timestamp at Ruins of the Lineage. 2642. Video. Oops. Video 2642. I had to step away and I'm glad I have time to submit. And if I do submit, I will probably make it in Unreal Engine with blueprints. Very nice, which should be nice and instructional. Awesome. Ruins of the Lineage is an auto combat RPG. Explore an ancient ruin infested by undeads. Let's take a screenshot of the controls just so I can have them in case I need them. Put them on the other screen here. Let's do a little extracty poo. Get the Ruins of the Lineage open here. Extraction complete. It's a Unity game. All right, let's go. You start on the right screen. Come on, Unity. Come on, Unity. Let's go over here. All right. No full screen. Interesting. Alt enter. There we go. Is there music? There is ambiance. Ambiance it is. The screenshot tool I use is called, great question. I have two that I use. Greenshot. So Greenshot is the tool I use. Yeah, so tool I use like this. I also like to use Zoom It for drawing on my screen. And then if I draw on the screen, I can press Control S and it will do the same thing there. Yeah, so Zoom It and Greenshot sort of work I use them in tandem together. Fantastic tools. Windows only, unfortunately. There's a Greenshot for Mac, but it's not very good in my opinion. Okay, let me get those controls open up on the other side. WASD to move. A chunky step sound. The stepping's fast. You can't hold and move, which is okay. Rotate's a little slow. It seems it doesn't quite queue. Let's get the key. I like that the game is teaching me. It doesn't just let me start exploring it. Teach me. I don't think I've played Tomb of Aeon. Bad as Dark. Go ahead and exclamation point Q to get it in for us, and we'll take a look at it, and then I'll know for sure if I did. If you do that, the name doesn't sound familiar. Press Z to open. So one thing I love, this game starts me facing the key, encourages me to move forward, learn how to pick the key up, shows the instructions on how to do it on the screen. So I can't leave this rune until I've learned how to pick things up and interact with doors. All right, there's an X to toggle stats. A lot of stats here. I've got an armor suit. I've got an unarmed. I'm unarmed, and I've got nothing. Okay. Enemy walk to open and battle. A familiar face. Auto battle. Armor leather. Max HP plus 10. I think this has to be better. I can't see what I have already. Trevron. Have you met Trevron? Trevron followed me today. You know it's Trevron. Yeah, you're cool, you're great, you're awesome. Thank you for following. Thank you for the follow, Trevron. Welcome to the stream. Let's go and get the item. Oh, there was a reroll button too. I wonder what that does. I like that the instructions are on the screen, so the controls are down here, which is nice. Ooh, I'm glad it escaped and it restarted. Escape turns off my drawing tool, so I'm glad it didn't restart the game on me. Gotta be careful with that. Gotta find a key. I need a key. So the timing on the step sound leaves a little bit to be desired. It's a little bit... It restarts the sound when I press the move there. Restarts the sound, and that's a little bit... it's going to be annoying for me because I'm wanting to move fast. But a little bit of a critique there. Not much. All right, walk to open in battle. Let's fight the haunt. It feels quite small. You have to move a lot to get to the next area, and the movement. I can move fast. I got a coconut ring. You put the coconut ring. You put the lime on the coconut ring, and you get the life still. Get the item. That is dark. Fair enough. Let's, fight a Skeleman. Ooh, I got so many hit points now. All right, I got an armor, cursed robe. Okay, so I got to decide whether or not I want to swap this. Max HP plus 10, defense plus 16. We'll go ahead and recycle. I don't know what recycle does, but we're gonna do it. Look, recycling's good. You don't want to just throw things away. Be a good citizen. Recycle. Got an attack speed, got an armor tunic. Get a new item, consumes 1 reroll. Let's recycle again. Tuba, welcome back to the stream. Number 9, not bad. Water fountain Z to restore. All right, I can't tell if my hit points actually got restored. 91 out of 186. Very good to know. Zuperdan, thank you for the heads up. I kind of was thinking that, but wasn't 100% sure. All right. Gotta find a key. Is this where I came from? I can't remember if this is where I came from. I think this is where I started. Yeah, this is where I started. All right, more enemies. Fight a skeleton. So interesting, my hit points are full now. Morningstar, yeah. Yeah, Morningstar. I like that life still seems to be a pretty big deal to like heal. A lot of items so far have had life still. Oh, this item looks not great. Let's recycle. I don't feel like I need super uber items just yet. Ooh, that life still feels good. Accessory, like having a life still. Armor penetration, attack speed. We'll just recycle that. I'm liking what I have so far. Feels OP. Life still right now feeling good. I'm still in life from the skeleton, which is pretty interesting. Defense plus 7, crit hit. I like the life still. We're just gonna keep it. I like the life still. Give me that key. Give me that key. All right, let's keep going. Boom, boom, boom. See to open. Special enemy. There's a coffin blocking your way. Walk. Do I have any other choice? A discernible relative. We can see. Discernible relative. Okay, I feel like maybe just getting the life steal there early on was like really powerful. Let's recycle. All right, Tuber Tugger with the hat. So let's get another hat added to the stack. Thank you for the hat, Redeem. Ooh. Do. Thank you for the hats. I appreciate you. All right, down we go. Where we stop, nobody knows. The walls feel really far away, so this is interesting. So here's an interesting thing about this section here. Did I buy more hats? I think I have one more hat than I have had in the past. I have one more hat, but I do have a lot of hats. This hallway is really wide compared to this hallway. So what I'll say is the grid feels a little bit incorrect here. The perspective here feels pretty good. Feels pretty good. The wall here. So what's interesting is how big this tile in front of me is. Like that. So this is a single space in front of me. It's not too wide. Yeah, so I can go... Oh, wait. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so actually the perspective's not right. I actually can't see the wall to the left of me here. That was 2. Okay, so it was 2, but the one that we were looking at was actually this space here. So this space is actually in front of me. This isn't the wall that's next to me. This is the wall that's in front and to the left. And then this is actually one big space. Yeah, the step sizes feel a little bit off and weird for traditional dungeon crawlers. So this hallway is so much wider than other than the other areas. All right, let's fight a specter. Got him. I just like that life steal so much. We're just gonna keep recycling until we get a good life steal. Praxi, Mernin, or should I say good afternoon? Good afternoon from me to you. Good Mernin. All right, defense 22. So one little critique. I think it should have my stats pull up by default on this screen. I shouldn't have to click this. I'm clicking it every time anyway. I think it should show up anyway. I don't think the half steps were intentional. I just think it was a accidental perspective thing. Yeah, so I wouldn't count that against them in this case, in my opinion. They do feel a little bit weird. Another water fountain. That's 365. There seems to be a bug with my hit points when I level up. In the next combat, it seems like it will show it. So notice here, my health is showing up as 176. I think when I go into combat, it'll show 365. It is violating a rule, yes. Okay. Is this one going to get... Super Dan question, would that disqualify this? I think it disqualifies it from prizes, but not necessarily like removing it from the jam. Is that correct? Yeah, see, my hit points filled up here when I went to this combat, even though they weren't full before. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It would be different if it was like really intentionally breaking the rules. I don't think that was intentional. And wasn't a misunderstanding. I think it was just a very weird misunderstanding because it's so... All right, I'm slightly lost. I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. I was talking too much. All right. It's weird that it shows I have 365 hit points, but in combat my max was 355. So there's something weird about that. All my stuff so far. They did not use my dungeon editor. That's true. This is true, Tuber Tugger. I don't think I want this. Maybe I do. Accuracy plus 8 will recycle. I don't want that. Cool little combat mechanic here. But I could save it. I could... Ooh. There we go. Lifesteal plus 5%. I think I want this item. Gwand. Or do I like this amount of lifesteal so much? I think I want this item. Since Zuperdan wants to re-roll for better items. Look, I like to hoard my re-rolls. It's like in the Final Fantasy games. See, yeah, there's something weird going on here. In Final Fantasy games, I hoard all my Aethers and Phoenix Downs until the very last combat. Am I the only one that does that? Got him. All right, we'll re-roll for Zuperdan. Ooh, Zuperdan was right. Re-rolling was the way to go. Zuperdan, don't tell me what to do. I'll bring them wherever I want to bring them. Wherever I want to bring my re-rolls. You can't tell me I can't bring them. I do what I want. I do what I want. All right, old glasses. Zuperdan over here tell me I can't do what I want. Oh, no, that's not what I meant to do. See? This is what happens. Classic hoarder. How dare. Look, would a hoarder have a board game collection like this? Let me ask you. Is this the type of collection a hoarder would have? I don't think so. Look how well kept and together this are. A hoarder would definitely not have this many board games. Ooh, a Jin Baihor. I like this one. I'm gonna get it. All right. Find the undead. I'm going to spend the next while making a game using Unity patches and plenty of asset store stuff. Then for the jam, I'm going to recreate my project entirely from scratch, basically learning to code all the functionality. Very nice. Ooh. Plus 10%. Nah, not good enough. Reroll. 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 Give me better line. Cursed robe. Reroll. See, Super Dan, you're making me waste all my rerolls. How am I supposed to take these to the grave if I spend them all on items I don't want? Ooh, plus 7%. Plus 7%. You know, not enough. Not good enough. Wasted. Wasted. Would that fit your June's gem? Let's see. I'm going to recreate my project type from scratch, basically learning to code. Yeah, that would absolutely. Paiwan says, just made a screen shader. Going to make a better concrete shader now and metal shader update soon. Hopefully. Very cool. Paiwan, be sure to share it on our Discord with us. Always love seeing what you guys are working on. Yeah, Tuber Tugger, I think that absolutely would fit. Bad is Dark. I don't have any of the expansions for Terraforming Mars, but I have a friend who has them all. So I've played many of, maybe not all of them, but I've played many of them. Right. You know, maybe I just got really lucky with my rolls with the lifesteal, but this game feels very, very easy, which is not a bad thing. That's not a bad thing. I think the combat mechanic. The auto combat's really interesting. It's not the only game that has it, and so it's like about optimizing your character, finding good items. Okay, I was very lucky with the RNG. I was like, wow, like I'm basically invincible. I will probably do it on stream, Tuber Tugger. We'll find out. We'll find out. We'll have to wait and see. But yeah, I think so. For anyone who's curious, Tuber Tugger is referring to Mechanically Challenged. There. So if you want to check out Mechanically Challenged, if you want to participate in our monthly game dev challenge, not making a game, but implementing a game mechanic, check it out. We relocated so we have 3 or 4 boxes of tabletop games, not counting D&D, Pathfinder books, and MTG. They're all still in boxes. Gotta prioritize. Gotta prioritize and get them out. I know how that feels, though. I was so excited to get this office. So I could put this on there. I don't have enough room for all my games. I still don't have enough room. I thought I'd be able to fit them all on there. I don't have enough. I guess if I didn't put them in a way that they looked displayable, like you could see them, I could probably fit them all if I stacked them. But it sure looks nice not stacked in a way where they're just all on there. Tuber Tugger, you got time to refactor. All right, plus 9%. I like this damage. This damage is nice. I don't think I need to do that. Dusting, yeah, dusting can be a nightmare. We did just get a, it's not a room, we got a Roborock. It's like a robot that goes around and vacuums. So now I don't care. I just like, I eat potato chips and just dust it on them. I'm like, yeah, our robot's named Nate. Nate will come and vacuum those up for us. Yeah, good old Nate. Let me be a messy streamer. I gotta feed the robot. See, you know how it is. I'm so beefy. I'm so beefy in this game. I'm unstoppable. I'm unstoppable. Yeah, the grid feels really weird in this one. I love our robot. It works so well. Can I avoid these guys? Yeah, take your time with it. We'll do some review on it. We'll definitely be reviewing them on stream together. Moonez and I are going to review them on stream probably on May 4th. For the May 4th. Is this a secret wall or is this just a weird tiling issue? I'm going to avoid the monsters. I don't think I need them. I'm too powerful. I'm too strong. Nothing can stop me. Alright, let's go fly a kite up to the highest height. Alright, I'm lost. I should have been trying to pay more attention. Have you heard of GoApp? I have not. Wow. Tell me about GoApp. Okay, here. This is probably really painful to watch me being lost. This is where maps come in handy, or some kind of marker on the screen to help me identify. Maybe I do need to kill those guys that were back here. Something on the screen to help me identify where I've been. It all looks so similar. If you have a map like this, where everything is super similar, highly recommend adding a map feature. Or maybe there is a map and I just don't know how to access it. Don't see it in the controls. Goal-oriented action plan. No, I haven't heard of it. Tuber Tugger, send us a link. Add it on the Discord in the resources section. I'd love to check it out, or maybe even add it into the plus 11. I want it. There's a section on there for recommendations. Reroll. Give me more life still. Life still OP. Life still OP. This game could be really interesting balancing it. If you could figure out a way to balance it a little bit better. It's better than what I got. Better than what I got. A lot of stuff going on around. Okay, I found a key. Sweet. Undead didn't stand a chance. Didn't stand. The Paiwan, thank you so much for sharing that on the Discord. We'll see if we can take a look at that in a little bit. All right, door. Oh, it's dark in this room. Have some fun scrolling about? We will. Ooh, this thing had the founder of the lineage. Look, I'm too powerful for you. You didn't even touch me. I'm untouchable. Game clear. Thanks for playing. Thiago Yasu, great job. Short, simple. I got a little bit lost in there, but I found the end eventually. I really loved the auto combat and just like stats. I would have liked to be able to make more interesting decisions about what I was selecting. Maybe having an inventory so like I could go into, when I enter a combat, have a little bit of information. Exactly, Super Dan, a lot of potential. Have a little bit of information about the enemy I'm about to fight, and then swapping out my equipment to optimize that particular combat. Really, really cool entry. Movement felt good. The tiling was a bit awkward, so might be worth playing some older dungeon crawlers to see what those feel like, so you can figure out how to do the perspective a little bit better. Fantastic entry. Super Dan, thank you so much for recommending this one to us. Bat is Dark. We're going to do the one you suggest here, Tomb of Aeon. Let me double check, see if I've rated this one yet. Tomb of Aeon. No, I have not played this one. Let's go ahead and add a link here. Tomb of Aeon. Like that. Let's pin this bad boy up there. This will be fun. I like the sound of that, Super Dan. Pin that up there. I'm going to add a timestamp here. Tomb of Aeon. Entry, link, video. And this one, let's add a timestamp in there. Bad is Dark, is this one yours? Tomb of Aeon. 4858. We'll add a timestamp there. 4858. Thank you so much for sharing this with us. I know it's always nerve-wracking to share what you've been working on with people. I know people have worked hard on these, and just know that I appreciate that you took the time to submit it, took the time to create it, and this is literally my favorite genre of game and my favorite game jam. This game jam is awesome, and so thank you for helping to make it special. Let's take a screenshot of this so I have it over on my other screen. Okay. Game was created during the Dungeon Crawler Jam 2024. You play as a once powerful person who was betrayed and entombed by friends for millennia. To escape and reclaim your lost strength, you must navigate treacherous dungeons, wielding dark powers. All right, here are our controls. Up, down, side to side, home page, up, and rest. 1 to 4 for skills. We run out of time, and clickable objects are only clickable by mouse. Okay, good to know. There are also no saving in the game, but plenty of healing zones. Use them wisely. Combat is real time, and kiting and escaping is a valid strategy. All right, sometimes. Santeria is a lover. Welcome back to the stream. Great to see you. All right. Friendly reminder to all newcomers: use exclamation point hat. Help us push for out of hats exception. Yeah. For 500, for a measly 500 points, you could add a hat to this stack. All right. Let's see if we can get Unity to put this on the correct screen here. Tomb of Aeon. There we go. Nice title screen. Some good ambient music going on here. Santeria, thank you for the hat. Let's get a hat added to this stack here. Oh, yeah. I feel pretty. Oh, so pretty. Oh, so pretty and witty and gay. It's a wonderful day for a dungeon crawl. Thank you for the hat. Doom of the Aeon, here we go.
It all started on the night of our triumph, a celebration echoing with the victorious cheers of battle-worn comrades. My companions and I, bound by the unbreakable ties forged in the fires of war, embarked on a journey to revel in the spoils of our hard-fought victory. With hearts soaring with elation and spirits ablaze with anticipation, we ventured forth to claim the rewards of our conquest.
Continue.
Yet, amidst the jubilant festivities, shadows lurked unseen, whispers of treachery weaving through the very fabric of our camaraderie. In a cruel twist of fate, I found myself ensnared in a web of deceit spun by those I once called friends. Betrayal, swift and merciless, pierced through the joyous haze like a dagger to my heart.
Dagger! Stabbed through the heart.
With bonds shattered and trust torn
Great
asunder,
narration.
I was cast into the depths of oblivion,
Very clear
imprisoned within the confines
speaking.
of a forsaken fortress. Time lost its meaning, its passage marked only by the echoing solitude of my confinement. Cut off
Oh,
from
I
the
think this might be an
outside
AI
world, my
voice.
memories became a
I'm hearing a
labyrinth
little bit of
uncertainty,
AI-ness
each
to
thread
it.
a fragile lifeline to a past slipping further from my grasp with every passing moment.
For a second, I was like, wow, really clear speaking, and then you sped it up the right amount. Okay. Yeah, I was like, wow, very clear speaking, and it feels like a little bit sped up. And I was like, you got the speed up right. And like, oh, this is an AI voice. Not bad, not bad.
I found myself awakening in what appeared to be a room with no exit.
Room with no exit.
An eerie sense of familiarity washed over me, tinged with the unmistakable weight of time's passage. The once potent power that coursed through my veins had vanished, leaving me feeling frail and defenseless.
Okay. Nice lighting. Flickering lights. A little bit flickery. Ooh. Oh, okay, so like I have a light source with me. That's what's going on with that. It's flickering kind of fast. Swing. Dark orb. Burst of dark energy with power to cut through enemies. Blammo. Oh, one doesn't do it. Oh, I can't use these yet, it appears. Bookshelf. Okay. Click to interact. Uh-oh. Hard arrest. Am I missing something obvious? Let's look at the controls. Turn left, strafe. Okay. I'm not. There it is. There it is. I'm missing it. Okay, so something was visible. It's like, is this wall? It is. So one thing I'll say is it's teaching me that there are invisible walls. Stand to the side of it. Okay, so I did see a little thing. So this little light here, is this what I'm supposed to see? Gotcha, gotcha. That looks like a bug to me, if I'm being completely honest. It looks a little bit like a bug to me. I did eventually find it. I was like, okay, well maybe I can start just wall smashing. Common strategy. Common strategy. I can't do anything with that door. Now I'm tempted to just try and walk through every wall.
The apparition before me felt hauntingly familiar, like a fragment of myself adrift in the shadows of a place lost to memory.
Oh yeah, it's real time. You told me that already. Okay, did I get it? I think I got it. Right. Alright, so if there are not more hidden walls, I'll be a little bit disappointed. Because the game taught me that there is a hidden wall.
With each step, I sensed the walls themselves resonating, as if acknowledging my presence in their silent embrace.
Press R to rest here. Alright, so I can just like, I like to break things. I'm a QA'er. Look, press R, get that sound going. Hope that's not messing anything up. Oh, this whole room I can rest in. Okay, it's not just the bench. Alright. Any secret walls in here? Nope. Ooh, found it. I feel like maybe I shouldn't be here yet. Nice perspective. The perspective in this one feels perfect. The movement feels snappy and perfect as well. The tiles here are a little bit off. I'm not sure. Yeah, the tiling on these aren't quite right. That's okay. Got an orb. Leveled up 13 hit points now. I think that gave me 13 hit points. All right. Nice fake walls. Oh, I forgot. Got him. It's legitimate strategy. Let's go rest. Alright. Ooh, little fireball, like not puzzle, but timing thing there. I like that. This, keep trying fake walls. You gotta. You know they exist, so you gotta try them all. Orbed. Get orbed. Ah! How dare you? How dare you? Floating eyeballs. Uh-oh. 9 out of 13, not safe enough. Like to have my life be full. More orbs. Yeah, think of all the board games you could put on these shelves, man. All the board games. An empty library. Librarian's dream in here. Do we have a case of infinite room? No, it's not an infinite room. Gotta make sure I don't. Oh. Gotcha. Level 2, nice. That's the peak of your modeling. Not bad, better than mine. Oh, that's right, Code Monk. Oh, Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style here. Give me that orb. Orb it up. Making me check down all these because I'm oh, look, that's why I did it. Found the button. Uh-oh. Now I don't know if I clicked it, if it's clicked or not. Imagine all the dust on. Okay. All right. I don't know if I should be here yet, but we'll come back. Found it. Can't hide that button from me. Nice try. Nice try. Let's go. Let's go rest. Found this secret hall. Yeah. There's another game where you could open and close levers and they didn't open right there in the same area. And I couldn't figure out if the lever was open or not. There was no way for me to know, and so I like couldn't figure out what to do next. There's a light where the button is at. I don't understand. That's okay. Oh, got spinnered. And there's nothing telling me what direction I'm actually facing. You spinner trapped me, I think. One of the shelf sections was a gotcha. Yeah, if a button is just gonna open a section, unless it's like toggling a section, best to make it like click to open and then have a message that I've already pressed it. Molluskio, Molluskio. I'd like to welcome you today now, Molluskio. Welcome to the stream, my friend. Molluskio, welcome to the stream. Thank you so much for being here. Happy. Oh, that guy. The spinner trap there is annoying because there's no compass. There's no compass. Thanks for the welcome. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. So not having a compass and then having the spinner trap is really annoying. But, you know, not as annoying as the spinner traps in my game that are just random. So, sorry about that. Anyone who played my game, sorry about all the... There's like just like a whole room where every space is a spinner trap. I figured it out. They're terrible. I feel really, really bad about that. Okay, so we're back here. Is this the whole section? Let me smash myself into walls. Just like you would if you were in a real dungeon. Yeah, so I should have made it so that the apologize option, so all of the combats are mostly optional in my game. I should have made it more obvious that if you apologize, it is a 10% chance to end up in combat. So you can actually, in that area, skip most of the combat. I just should have made it first. They didn't. Yeah, I should have done that too. It's just you knew what you were doing at that time, yeah. So I did, that was a bad design on my end. Okay, so I think I got everything down there. At least it feels that way. All right, through Fireball Island. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, how dare you? How dare you? Why is nothing fire? Ooh, these guys can attack me at an angle. Why can I attack at an angle? I can. Interesting. The auto target. Look at me go. Dodge. You know, it's because I learned the 5 rules of dodgeball, which is to dodge. Dodge, dip, strafe, fire dark orbs, and dodge. I'm the strafe king, that's true. That's what they used to call me in high school. If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a dark orb. Alright, red orbs. Lots of hidden walls. Alright, so the hidden walls are cool because you immediately start the game teaching people, hey, there are hidden walls. Alright, found a resting area. So I think it's totally fair to have hidden walls if you start the game basically teaching people about hidden walls. Is it necessary for me to drink my own? No, but it's still, and I like the taste. It's true. It's true. We just watched that, movie the other day.
In one of the rooms, an inexplicable sensation washed over me, as if some part of my being yearned to merge with a presence that lingered within.
I'm yearning. Exactly. So I feel a little bit bad about mine. I meant to make my secret wall be... I looked back and I didn't put the variation tile on it. There is a text hint as to where it is, but many people have lost their mind trying to find my hidden wall. Alright. Let me push against all the walls. Smack that wall. Go through the wall. Let me pass through you. Why? Button. Ah! Got me with that jump. All right, we got Skeletor over here. Is this Jeez, that guy. How dare? Oh! It's an engaging combat, though. So one thing I will say about combat is I do feel that there doesn't seem to be much risk reward. Notice my damage with this weapon, with the ranged attack, is the same amount of damage as my swing. All right, so there doesn't seem to be a risk reward. What is the reward for moving in close, right? So what is my reward for moving in close as opposed, I suppose maybe the slower cooldown, but I feel like the in close combat, I would like this to be higher damage. The Dark Orb just feels superior in every way. Thick darkness formed into a sharp spear, especially because I can move so fast. It is, but that's the only thing, like, yeah. So good, no, I wouldn't say good. I do feel the best combat mechanics are those that give me interesting choices and give me like a risk versus a risk and reward. I don't know which room I came through. Clearly was the other one. Okay. Oh, that's fair. Just a comment, not saying. You know, I take all of these with a grain of salt, right? Game jams. Take a lot. Restore. Nice little waiting room here. You came from the room with the walls. It's true. The one I like food. You are correct. I did come from the room with the walls. Eyeball. Range 3. All right. Blast them. Kind of a dance of CDs in a way, but we scrapped our initial system, so it feels unbaked as a result. Gotcha. Do you mean unbalanced? I think you meant unbalanced, not unbaked. Nothing like a good baked combat system. Delicious. Using thin walls, I'm a big fan of thin-walled dungeons. They're thin walls, but you added some thickness to them. Look at that. So one thing though, who would build a house? Who would build a structure like this? Unleavened combat. Yeah, I like my combat. I like my combat rye. It's a rye-based combat system. Okay. Do I need to go down? Ah! Spear of Darkness is powerful. Did I just end up in a teleport? I think I teleported. You got all of the really, really classic tropes, teleporters, spinners, some kind of teleport puzzle going on. Mwah! Mwah! Alright, got spinnered again. How dare you? How dare you? A seasoned crawler like myself. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, I can't see the enemy. Alright. Seasoned crawler like myself won't fall for your shenanigans. Meanwhile, how dare you? How dare you? I've been pushing myself against all these walls, but I missed that one. How dare you? Particles through the wall. Fell for them twice. This one is a shortcut. Gotcha. So when you have hidden walls, another thing is like a mini map is really nice for mini maps are quite nice for hidden walls. This guy has a longer range than me. How dare you? How dare you? How at ye? Winchester Mr. House is sweating. Oh, found another one. Give me that ore. Give me that blood. I need the blood. They fuel my hunger. I long for the... Ow! Rude. A rude, crude, dang old bag of dog food. Let me rest. Let me rest. Hope when you get to the end, it scores X total secrets found. Doom style, Doom style. Right? Alright, this is a thing. Need a high score. Well. Oh. There's gonna be spinner and teleporting traps in here. I feel it. How dare you? It's gonna turn me around. Ah! I knew it! I knew it! Oh! Alright, we're gonna go take a nap. Right, where's my nap room? Alright, let me take a nap. It's a good thing I found all those blood orbs. Alright. There we go. You're trying to help us too. Alright, so when I come out here, it's gonna turn me to. Okay. There we go. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. How dare you? How dare you? What do you think this is? 1990s? This isn't the 1990s. We're in modern times. It's true. It's because I know that you knew that I knew that you would know that you'd put it there and I would avoid it. Because I knew that you knew that I knew that what you knew was that there would be a monster behind this door. See? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's unfair. It's unfair. Come on out. Come out and play. Blammo. Don't tell me 1, 2, 3. You don't know what's easier. You don't know. Look, what's easier? I can't strafe away if I'm using that finger. Easier for who? You or me or the crew? I'm just kidding, of course. All right, have I been here? Oh no. Come on. Give me some wall meat. I need a wall sandwich. Give me some, I guess it's just a room to rest in. I have yet to find a game that has wall meat, where you open up a wall and there's meat in there that restores your life. That's really what I want. Castlevania stuff. Alright, can't click to open that. Look, it doesn't let, there's no mirrors. There's no mirrors. So I think this would be called a blobber. Blobbers are the ones where you never see yourself. Oh, they tricked me on that. Another rude. Subverting my expectations. What do you think this is, Star Wars? New Star Wars always subvert. This guy's shooting enemies. I hate that. I think this guy is producing enemies, right? Use the Force. Got him. Give me your soul. Your soul is mine. Let me in. Let me in. Rude. Rude. Can I just push my way through some of these? Alright. Melee did more damage if the enemy is below half, then you shift your combat style. That would be pretty cool. Go into a... found it. Oh. Come on. Come on. Did it open? Is there another one in here? There is not. How do I get in there? I want to go inside. Where's my nap room? Oh boy. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. Let me take a nap. Finally I can rest. this? Oh, is this where I started? Ooh, I got inner burst. Explode enemy from within with your power of your mind. Range 4, damage 20, cooldown 10. Let's do it. Burst. Ouch. Ouch. That, ah. Alright, I don't like. Follow me to the resting room. Come take a nap with me. I just want to fight you in the room where I can rest. Uh-oh. That's not the room where I can rest. Perfect. Follow me over here. Come on. I dare you. I dare you. You don't have what it takes. You don't think you're too scared to follow me into the room of resting. Jeez. Come on. I don't know. Come on, guys. Come on. I know you want to. Ouch. Why can they shoot through walls? Oh, did I get him? I dodged the wrenches, I did. Did you see me dodge them? I dodged them so good, those fireball wrenches. They were like fireball, fireball. Alright. So dark. I'm afraid.
As I tread through the darkened corridor, each step a testament to my newfound freedom, the path ahead stretches endlessly, a silent guide leading me away from the shadows of captivity.
Very
As I stand
nice.
at the threshold of freedom, the weight
I
of millennia
really
presses down
enjoyed
upon
this.
me like an ancient burden. With newfound strength coursing through my veins, I emerge from the depths of my confinement, only to be greeted by a world that has been irrevocably altered.
So I love that you used teleporters, you used
Gone are the
spinner
vibrant
traps, but they
landscapes and
weren't
teeming cities of my
terribly
memories,
annoying.
replaced instead by a desolate expanse shrouded in darkness. Above, ominous clouds spiral ominously, casting a pall over the barren wasteland that stretches out before me. This was once a realm teeming with life and vitality, but now it lies ravaged and desolate, a haunting echo of its former glory. Thousands of years have passed since my imprisonment, and yet the world I once knew has been lost to the relentless march of time.
Yeah, Zuperden, I
am
agree
alone
with
now,
that.
a solitary
Perfect sprinkle
figure
of
standing amidst the
traditional.
ruins of a forgotten age, a relic
Just
of a
nice little
bygone era adrift
callbacks.
in this bleak new reality.
Combat is interesting. Missing the 3-lever puzzle, yeah. Solid entry. Definitely one of my favorites. Nice and short. Didn't overstay its welcome. I never was bored. So that a lot of the games are great, and then I start getting bored. It's like, okay, this is dragging on. It's not that interesting. There's nothing really that new. The combat's not gaining anything. This one kept adding new things, and by the time I added the last thing, the game, I got to use my last awesome thing. I missed the difficult room. Oh, there's one more room I missed. That's too bad. The one that is the other way from the fireball trap on compass and map. Yeah, compass and map would be nice, especially because you have all the secrets. All of the secrets in there. So on the mini map, having like some little thing. One of my favorite ones is in I think it's Dungeon Master. Dungeon Master, there's like a spell you can cast that on your mini map. Any secret walls you're near will show up on the minimap. So some kind of ability that you get later on to reveal secret passages would be super cool. Overall, loved it. Absolutely fantastic game. Thank you so much for sharing it. For a jam game, amazing. I really enjoyed this one. If anyone has any others that they'd like us to play, feel free to drop them in, !Q. We're going to take a quick break here. Exactly. Mine, I feel like my game, I wanted it to be is too long. My entry is too long. I think my entry overstays its welcome by about 20 minutes. Can I send you my old jam game? Is it for Dungeon Crawler Jam? So Trooper Target, we're doing Dungeon Crawler Jam entries. If you have an entry for the DC Jam 2024, I'd be happy to play it. Otherwise, save it for our showcase on April 20th. Which I'd love to play it. All right, folks, we're gonna take a quick break. I'm gonna get myself some Earl Grey tea. We'll be back. We're getting some more Dungeon Crawler goodness. Don't go anywhere, Captain Coder will return. Hang tight. All right, we're back. The camera, I'm so tiny without all these hats on. Folks, we do reset the hats at the end of each break. It didn't skip forward. I like food. I'm sorry. I didn't pre-record this stream for you. My apologies. But if you want, so I like food. If you want, you can always. Oh, can you rewind? I don't think you can rewind on Twitch. I can't talk in the afternoon apparently. Did you say hat, Captain Enosa? Thank you for the hat redeem. Let's get this hat on here. Oh yeah. There we go. How do we do? How we do? Captain Enosa, welcome back to the stream. Captain Enosa, thank you so much for playing my entry and recording that video of it. Folks, if you guys don't know, Captain Enosa is a streamer working on getting affiliate crocodile champion. Nice guy, Steve meme, yeah. All right, Tuber Tucker, how long is your entry? How long is your game? If it's not too long, we can take a look at it. Send the link. We'll take a look. You know what's interesting is I didn't wear hats until like maybe March or February of this past year. Yeah, so all of my initial streams didn't have any hats. Now I always have a hat on. Even though I used to wear hats a lot more. I used to get outside a lot more. But yeah, Tuber Tucker, send it along. We take a look at it. If it's not too long, send it. We'll check it out. Unpin. There we go. But yeah, that was forgot how to spell it. Bounty: The Hunt of Califan. The Hunt of Califan. All right, let's close some of these. Also, folks, did you guys know, before we take a look at this, you can vote on what we're going to work on next on stream at Captain Coder. Just so you guys know, if you guys don't know who I am Captain Coder. Captain Coder is me, and me is a computer science educator. I teach, my full-time job is teaching computer science and programming, ages 10 to 14, but this stream is dedicated to learning and coding and growing together as a crew. We try and do new projects here pretty frequently. We do a bunch of different stuff. If you want to vote on what we're doing next, we had it on the platform normally known as Twitter, and I got about 12 messages that, hey, I don't use the platform formerly known as Twitter. Could you do it differently? So we went ahead and I moved the vote to the Discord. So if you want to vote on what we're going to do next on stream, we'll probably spend 4 to 6 weeks on it. We can continue working on the dungeon crawler engine. I want to make it a fully web-based application to create dungeon crawlers. So feel free if you want to vote on that one. If you liked what we were doing with the tactics combat system, I would love to build a more rich tactics strategy game with that as a premise. A lot of people have been wanting me to do a tower defense game. I think I'd love to do that. Or explore the new embedded app SDK on Discord. So hop onto the Discord if you're not already there. Go down, let's find it here, and go to the Discord, and then really just click this link. It'll bring you right to it. Come on, open app launch. Did it really? There it is. And then you can vote on as many of these as you like. The tactical combat system is currently in the lead. On Twitter, what was interesting is the Discord arcade game was the lead on Twitter, so I'm surprised how few votes it has right now. It had like 10 votes on Twitter. So we did switch it over to Discord, so if you did vote and you don't know that it switched to Discord, please go vote. We're going to be starting this on Saturday. We'll be starting this on Saturday. This coming Saturday will be when we start our next project, so you still have time to go in and vote. Also, April 20th, we'll be doing a showcase where you can share your work. If you want to do a showcase, come in and drop it in. Post in the... There's so many. Where's my stream? April showcase. Get it in here. Tuber Tucker voted for all 4 options. Well, perfect. You could also, if you have something you want to share with the community, it could be a game, art, music, a story you wrote. Maybe you wrote a poem. Come share it with the community. We'll be sharing those on April 20th. Lots of good stuff happening. Let's download Hunt for the Califan. My first game jam solo built. I hope you enjoy it. Let's check it out. Bounty. Okay. Extract all. Extracting. Extraction. A Unity game. I see the word Unity in there. We do have Dungeons and Dragons back there. I like food. Sorry, I missed that. The Wild Wiki Wild Wild West. All right, Game Jam. Let's try it. Clearly old Unity. Okay. Bounty. All right, let me zoom in so I can see this. Start game, continue, exit. Okay. But it's lost to time. That's how I feel about most of my past projects. Start game. There's music. So, that villain Caliphan is hiding out in this hole. Okay. Arrow keys? Oh, spacebar. Okay. Morgana. His orders say he stole something valuable. The reward is more than we normally make in a year. Let's get moving. No sense standing around. Alright, Morgana. Okay. Rotate is good. Forward, backwards, snappy. Okay. So a common thing for a lot of dungeon crawlers, perspective. You need to be able to see the floor. You need to be able to see the wall in your adjacent spot. How's the music? Is the music too loud? I can turn it down if it's too loud. It feels like it might be too loud. Sorry if the music was blowing people's ears out there. Morgana, Galad, and you. All right, so A. I'm assuming that means attack. Yeah. Morgana, party members. Fonts all squashed down here. That's okay. Got the nice particle effects. I want to strafe, but this place stinks. That's the smell of goblins. We better keep an eye out for the traps. All right, so we switched to the Galad was down here. Or I'll call him Galad because it's like salad but with a G. Didn't have strafe in 2019. 2019 there was no strafing. Okay, so I actually do see the little bit of wall here, but I thought I was in this tile here because I went to turn barrel. The clipping on the barrel is funny. Can I interact with the barrel? Okay. Music loop is a little bit short. A fork in the road. My gut is telling me we should take a right. Your gut is usually wrong. Let's let the new guy lead the way. All right. I feel the rotation is awkward. So in this hallway, I feel slightly lost. Okay, I kind of figured it out. Okay. Bars. Let's go right. Give me the illusion of choice. You gave me the illusion of choice, but there was no choice. I had to go right. Found a lever. Click. Like a light switch. Okay. So one thing, just a little game design thing. That lever, had I not gone left first, I would not know what it did. Not what it appears or something like, gotcha. If I'd gone to the right first and pulled that lever, I would have no idea what it did if I came back this way. So potentially making it so that way that you're guaranteed to see that gate before you pull the lever would be helpful. Hey, newbie, let me explain your abilities to you. We can all use the attack action, the letter A, which will deal some damage. I have the ability to heal us when we take damage, and I can give us a temporary shield from damage. That's it. If we encounter an enemy, I trust you two will do your part. Maybe a torch on the sharp turn so there is diffraction. Or if the walls are meant to the reflective of the player, give them a little bit of light glow. Yeah, I don't remember what the guy said. I think I went the direction he told me to left. Galad, I feel an evil presence. Wasn't me, I swear. Seriously, we better watch ourselves or we might not make it out of here. Don't worry, Morgana. Nothing will happen with me around to protect you. See, so here's what's interesting. When I rotate, it feels like I'm taking a step forward. All right, so this is the direction I came from. So this is me rotating, not stepping. So just the design of the map can be really helpful to make it so it's a little bit less confusing on the movement. All right, am I back where I started? I think this is where I started. I didn't mean to go back, but I did. Okay, accidentally went back. The movement feels okay. Ooh! Shield me. Attack. 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 Heal. Okay. Okay, there are some options down here. Pill monster. It's a capsule monster. Dead end. Could be worse. How is that, Gallad? Could be 2 dead ends. I shouldn't have asked. Alright, back we go. Where we stop? No, see, I think I'm at the end. Here's what's interesting. I feel like I'm at the end of the hallway, so I want to turn left here. So the perspective feels off to me. It's not wrong. Oh, not the antidepressant monster. There's a trap in the center of this room. We should avoid moving through it. Miss, I am no coward. With my shield forward, we can withstand anything. Even a knight has limits. Don't forget that. You focus on magic, Morgana. I'll do the heavy lifting. Alright, we'll step around. Uh-oh. Should have healed. Bat. Oh, I can't run. Okay, so you can't run away from combat. No time to let up. Let's head down and find Caliphan. My pockets feel empty. The deeper we go, the stronger I feel. I can definitely smell goblin. All right, so Gallad has swapped spots with Morgana again. I hope you're wrong. I hate those green monsters. All right. Controls are weird. The camera perspective is, oh, space to use it? Okay, I was trying to click it. Is this a pill? This is a, what's this heap on the floor? I was right. There's a goblin in here. That's fine, Tuber Tugger. Jumping down the stairs looked a little bit odd to me too. That's okay. Tipple, oh humans, spare Tipple, please release me from these chains. Tipple will help you. I will. Help you? I say we slay this vermin before it can find others. Oh no, don't kill Tipple. Tipple is smart. Tipple knows the way. Tipple will help you find what you seek. Goblins are so frail, let's take him with us. I don't trust this creature, but I suppose he is too weak to hurt us. Thank you. You will not regret helping Tipple. Alright, we got Tipple. We're in the barrels. Here we go. Still bars our path. Doesn't seem to be a way to open this gate. Step aside. Tipple knows the secrets. I will open it for you. Wow, I guess you aren't useless. Carry on, green filth. Alright. So many hallways. So many. Pills! Pills! Shield. Attack. Plus, I can't attack with Tipples. Tipples does seem to be taking damage. Okay. Bars. More bars. This way, we are nearly there. What a relief. My feet are tired from all this walking. The king's trust never tires. Let me carry you. Nope, I'm not nearly that tired. Gallad and Morgana. Nothing. There's nothing here. Looked like that creature wasted our time. Even goblins forget the way. Trust me. A knight's duty is to forgive. Let us hurry on and find Caliphan. I heard an Alright. Backwards? The directions, I'm so lost. I'm lost to space and time. I don't know what making the sound. Alright. Oh, something killed me. I don't know what was hitting me. Oops. Oops. Okay. Well. Darn. I kept hearing, I didn't realize I was taking damage. I don't know what was hitting me. All right. I played D&D too much to the point of being skeptical of tipples. That's how I feel. Yeah, instant step is not great for stream. I think it can be done well. I think that if the perspective was better and the dungeon was designed a little bit better, the instant step would feel okay. But yeah, so it's hard to see what's going on. And so I think a lot of people were really confused in my game as well with instant step. I think the perspective made it super awkward on that one. Here, let's try instant step in mine. I'm curious if this will look okay. This will look okay. All right, so tell me, let's turn on instant step. Zuperdan, tell me if the instant step looks okay here. So I think if you do it well, so like I feel like the instant step works all right in my game. I think it can be done okay. But tell me, people watching, does the instant, yeah, it looks much better here. I think it was just the perspective and the repeating patterns, right? So I specifically made sure that the tiles alternate, that the walls were set up in a specific way. Well, I didn't mean it. Sorry, Tuber, I didn't mean it. I just meant the instant transition was confusing for me in that game. The instant step even felt weird when I was rotating. I was like, wait, did I take a step forward? And a lot of that just comes from I have played probably thousands of hours of dungeon crawlers. I think the perspective is super important in that. So Tuber Tucker, that was fun. I enjoyed it. I love the dialogue. I love the story. Oh, sorry. I was gonna play it again. I just wanted to show. I apologize. Here. I wanted to play it again. I didn't. I was just the comment on the instant step. I was wondering about. No. I was gonna go back to it. Yeah. Ruins of Lineage. Hang on. Sorry, I just wanted to. Oh, this is not the game. Sorry. How do I exit your game? Wrong. I was like I like the character. Yeah, I really liked it as well. Hang on. Wrong file. Bounty. There we go. All right. Let's try it again. Tuber. We're gonna go for it. Oh, there's a continue button. No. The story feels good here. The story feels good here. All right, let's power through it. All right. It's a big pat on the back when CC reads the characters how I intend them to sound. Really? All right. The names felt right. Oh, maybe if I kill the task? I wasn't that far. I think I can power to it. Oh, I got turned around. Heal. Dead end. Yeah, mapping compass. A lot of the games need a mapping compass, in my opinion. Oh, there must have been a trap. That must have been what I must have been stepping on a trap in that room. So one thing I will say is I'm sitting here just staring at these buttons down here. Little comment, I never look up here. I wish these buttons were right next to the health, so that's where my eyes were. But I'm sitting here watching these, tapping these buttons very, very quickly. Yeah, so I kind of remembered it. This is so weird. This one is so weird because this is where the perspective feels so strange. Okay. Come on, Tibbles. Come on. Tibbles. Okay. Back in we go. Maybe. Oh, hang on. Tibbles knows the way. Tibbles is a free elf. Tibbles is free. Uh-oh. Pills. Destroy the pills. It's really just a game about it's big pharma here. Okay, so I feel like there's a trap in this hall, so I'm gonna avoid going down that hall. Come back this way. Another fork! Let me consult my gut again. One moment. No need, human. The right path is fastest. Go that way to find Califan. I've consulted and my gut says to listen to the goblin. We are doomed. Let's try it. I can. Super Dan. Pro streamer. Pro crawler. Can I heal outside of combat? I can heal outside of combat. Okay, so that's good to know. All right, shield, move, attack, attack, attack. Get him. Get him, attack, 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 heal. All right, so I can heal outside of combat. Ooh, thin wall. Okay. Power wall. Definitely need more user feedback on the abilities. Yeah. Now, we are nearly there. The switch on the right opens the gate. The one on the left brings only death. I'm not usually a fan of death when it happens to me. The King Shield will protect you, Morgana. Yes, that's my concern. All right. Which one did he say to pull? Not that one. I can't remember. I was too busy reading to remember what was said. We're gonna heal though. That was the incorrect one. I did trust Tipple, but I think I selected the. I don't know if I selected one of them. If one way is death, choose both ways, right? Hang on, I gotta heal because Tipples needs health. Tipples needs healing. Tipples needs a potion. Quaff the potion faster, Tipples. Tipples quaff. Oh, did I even try to pull this? Alright, well, I tried them all and that's the one that worked. Morgana giving those massages. Oh, can I just look? I can spam heal. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's the way we do it. Morgana with the back massages. Sweet. Sweet. Tipples has a beard and a sock in my head. Very nice. Okay. Consult my guts. Not enough of that, Gallad. Goblin, tell us the way. No path is safe this way. Both lead to dead. Do not continue. Turn back and leave. I think we will be ignoring that advice. Gallad, be our shield or whatever and pick a switch. Haha, I leave it up to the new guy. The King Shield doesn't think for himself. Shield it up. Hello, pills. It looks like I chose correctly. Sweet. Sweet. The banter is great. I love it. I love it. Boop. Alright. Trapped. Boop. Oh, boop. There it goes. The delay on the lever pull is a little bit interesting. Okay. Boop. Boop. I had to press space twice on that one. Have I pushed this one? It's Super Dan. It's a 4-lever puzzle. And sometimes the levers don't work. Is the puzzle going to... Let me see if I have the cheat sheet somewhere. Yeah, there's not feedback here. It did open. Oh boy. 4 levers. Can I get them all to be down is the question. Down, down. Down. Alright, they switch backing up. Sometimes they don't work. What's the catalyst to make them work? Alright, I can't. Alright, can they not switch back? Okay, it feels like they can't switch back. Alright, do I just return from whence I came? Ooh, that's an interesting thought. There's a lot of guys there. Can I attack these guys through this gate? Doesn't look like it. Glad I chose correctly. That's a lot of bodies. Yeah, I press this. I feel like I see like there's probably a secret door that opens here. Okay, they do appear to be triggering even though there's no animation. Because that door came back down. So the question is, can I figure out what state they're in? Maybe? At least there's no spinning traps, yeah. There should only be 16 combinations, right? Alright. Let me get a piece of paper here. I know you can get past it, I don't remember how to solve it. Okay. My guess is it's the correct combination here. Alright, so we're gonna use the old binary trick. So we got 16 combinations. Let me write them out. And I'm just gonna assume 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1, and then we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1. Okay. It's too bad because there's a sweet story beat after, but no one ever gets to it. Okay, let's see if we can do it. Alright, I'm gonna assume we're in the 0 0 0 state here. It's literally gate kept by a gate puzzle. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna turn this on. Alright, hang on. Let me... I wish I could see the switch was on or off. Yeah, because I'm not sure if I'm doing anything with the switch here. Alright, so if I switch this, they're doing something. See how if I press that one, It does open this. Alright. Oh, maybe? Now I'm really confused. Yeah. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Okay, so I can affect change. Idrid, how are we doing, friend? Welcome back to the stream. It's okay. We might just have to have you spoil it if we can't get through the puzzle. Alright, so... Oh, no, see, that one reset. Yeah. You're stuck on doing accounting coding. I don't know what that means. What? Alright, that one seems to adjust that one. Yeah, but this is where I came from. This one controls that first door. See, it's hard to tell whether or not I'm actually pressing the switch. I want to get to that switch. So that one's down now. I feel like these switches just each do too much. They seem to have, like, if I pull it twice, if I just keep trying, maybe, eventually, because I don't think I've been able to get to that switch there. Maybe if I pull that, and then this one. Oh, that one's now shut. Okay. So this one seems to open and close that. Is that true? Huh. This opened that door here, so there was... Yeah, I'm just like, I'm not sure. Oh, maybe I was just supposed to go back this way? Seriously, this is just a bunch of gates. Every door is just an opportunity waiting to be opened. You say lots of words, Gallad. This room of gates, none who enter live to tell the tale. What about you? Tipples is the exception. Tipple's smart. Excellent. Then you can lead the way. The path is simple. Up, up, down, down, left, right, A, B, start. We're gonna screenshot that. The Konami code. Konami code there. Just in case we actually need that. Too bad that fourth wall wasn't one of these gates. Up, 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 down, down. Left, right. I need a B button. A, S, enter. I beat this, I'm a super genius. Oh my goodness. Alright, forward. Ugh. Better heal. Brute force. Oh my goodness. Why would you do this to me? Do you hate me, Tuber? Oh, did I get it? Or did I mess up here? I thought I had it for a second. No, I didn't make it through. There it goes. There's a damage trap there. Tipples' brain so big. Tipples' brain huge. I feel like I'm somehow making progress. I feel like I almost understand. Well, I am trapped now. I can't go any direction. This might be a bug. I am trapped. We gave it the old college try, Tuber. But unfortunately, I've become trapped. Well, folks, that Captain Coder seems to got himself into some trouble. Mission failed. We'll get them next time. Resume. Menu. Continue. Alright. I hit continue, but none of the controls work now. Spoil away. Give us that spoilage. Spoil us. Let's see if I can reload there. Let's see if continue will work. Definitely smell goblin. I hope you're wrong. Yeah, I'm not gonna go. I don't know how I got through some of those puzzles. I'm not gonna do that again. Tuber Tucker, thank you for sharing a nice, you know, first attempt. You meet with Caliphan. Father helped meme. Yeah, father helped meme. So we meet up with Caliphan, and then what? Then what happens? Tell me more. Tell me more. Tell me more. What happens after we meet up with Caliphan? And it turns out Tipple is legit, but the other two are hired to trick you down. Ah, what a treat to have Cap at this time. Booyah, Grandma. Welcome back to the stream. Folks, guys don't know the incredible, the unstoppable Booyah, Grandma. You should. They betray you and leave you to die. Gotcha. Gotcha. Then the god of death revives you and gives you god powers. Ooh, god powers. Everyone loves me. Everyone loves a good god power. Give me that god power. Thank you for sharing this. And you escape and fight Morgana, Galad, and Caliphan. Very cool points. And Tuber Tugger, thank you so much for sharing your game with it. 1,000 points. Booyah, Grandma, how you been, my friend? How you been? What have you been up to? Tipple for the win. Morgana did nothing wrong. Hashtag Morgana did nothing wrong. All right, let's head back to the DC Jam 2024. That's not what we want. Hang on, before something terrible happens. Entries, there it is. Tipples was good all that time. I've been good. I spent the time to schedule my time. How novel. Yeah. All right. Let's go to play in the browsers that I haven't rated. All right. And least rated. All right. Unblur. It was like a blind double cross or something. Very cool, especially because I think it was like not what you're thinking was the theme. All right. We're going to do Torch Hero. Torch Hero. This game is about going deeper to place randomly generated dungeon. Upon completion of this game, flame points are awarded to strengthen the player. This is Torch Hero. Hero. Characters were certainly enjoyable. Nice banter. It's hard to write good banter like that. So good job on that. All right, let me add a timestamp here. This is Torch Hero entry. And then we'll do video. Probably have time for one or two more here. Video, this is Torch Hero 204 here. Dialogue 10 out of 10, absolutely. 204. Okay. Unity. Unity game here. Let's give it a shot. Let's give it a go. Let's give it a gander. See if the juice. The soundtrack. Capsule Monster, 10 out of 10. I agree. That jam. Oh, man. Sorry, that music's way too loud. Sorry. My apologies. My apologies. Yeah. Here we go. Upgrade. I have no flame points upgrade. Start. Floor B1F. Hanger gauge. All right, we're a hangry boy. Ooh. Hold the move. Look at that Unity lighting. Look at that Unity lighting. Still a bit loud, thank you. Let me turn that down a little bit for you guys. Still a bit loud. Let's do a little bit more here. All right. Hold to move. So the movement's really tricky because sometimes when I tap, it moves me twice. Crank down the bias. Zuperdan, sorry, I missed it. Is it better now? Yeah, the movement. Oh, for the lighting. Yeah. It's tricky to get that right. The movement, I can't tap to move a single spot. But I can hold down to move really quickly down these hallways. Perspective feels a little bit awkward. Again, this is one of the games where perspective, you would want to be able to see the wall off to my right and off to my left here, but there's a wall there. I can't see the floor and the tile that I occupy. So just a little note there. I don't know what the controls are. Okay. Bump into the blob. But player HP 888, enemy HP 5. Normal attack. Win! Sweet, we did it. Give me that pumpkin. Apparently I ate the pumpkin. Sacred attack. I win. It's weird that it says player HP 888. Okay, I moved back into this spot. I can win again. Over here it shows HP 30. I don't know why would I choose a sacred attack versus a non-sacred attack. The ghosts just keep respawning. This is interesting. They're silly little guys. Well, I had no choice but to attack or say, give me that orange. Eating oranges, fighting monsters, eating oranges. What downstairs? B2F. Kilted, welcome back to the stream. Great to have you here, my friends. Great to eat another pumpkin. Into the dungeon. Doo-doo-doo. Get those torches. Yeah, look, I got all the torches. I don't know what they do, but I got them. Sacred attack. Up the stairs. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. They do fire. It's true. Torches do fire. Sacred. EXP 10. I'm assuming I'm getting experience points for these. I'm not sure. B4F. A, B, C, D, E. B4F. E. Is it trying to tell me to press the letter E? It didn't. I don't think that's it. Got a torch. Oh, I'm getting hangry. Okay, my hanger is going down. That's okay. I gotta go. I need more pumpkins. Keep my hanger up. All right. Pumpkins. Give me more pumpkins. Pump it up. Wait, if hanger gauge goes down, are you less hangry? That's interesting, yeah. Why'd they do fire? Right, do I get to experience normal sacred attack? Alright. Yeah, I'm not seeing my experience go up here. Feedback in the game on like, what am I doing? I'm a little confused. Movement is super fast, super snappy. Kamikage, welcome back to the stream. How you doing, friend? Yeah, we're doing a little I didn't stream this morning, but we're playing Game Jam entries. And I thought I might as well stream them. I was gonna play them. I like to get the feedback to the people. So I thought, what the hey? Why not stream it, and then easy to record it. Get to hang out with some awesome people at a weird time. Okay, definitely a weird time compared to my normal. Yeah, I don't think I'm leveling up or anything. I don't eat the ghost. Eat the ghost. It won't let me eat them. My hanger doesn't. I still feel hungry. More pumpkins. Stairs. Eat the pumpkins. Climb the stairs. Kill the ghosts. I don't know if killing the ghost is doing much of anything. Feels like there's a lot planned in this that just didn't work out. Yeah, this appears to be infinity/endless. Maybe some proc gen stuff going on here. So probably places some rooms, places some tiles. Consume its soul. Your soul is mine. Interesting little game. I don't know if there's anything else in this. I'm about to die from hunger. My hangriness. Okay, let's upgrade. Oh, I didn't get any flame points. Okay, so I think that's about it for this whole game. Not a bad little entry. Moves fast, you can kill stuff, you can die. I don't know that you can win. It feels like a lot of stuff was planned that didn't get finished, but not a bad entry. Just an incomplete entry. All right, that was Torch Hero. I didn't know what to do with the torches. Nice graphics, nice music. Ghost 10 out of 10. Movement was snappy. Not a bad entry. Not a bad entry. Let's go. Deathwalker. Deathwalker. By Fernando. Long time ago. Well, let me add a timestamp. Hang on. We're playing Deathwalker. Deathwalker. Put a pin on it. Pin it. Boom. That a timestamp. This is Deathwalker. Like that. Video. And oop, not what I wanted to do. Deathwalker 2/12/35. This is 2/12/35. Long time ago, I was a great hero, slayer of monsters, champion of justice, defender of the desperate. This ancient temple was my downfall. Be careful what you wish for, because you might just get it. I was successful. I slayed all the monsters and found the most valuable relic ever. The one that grants eternal life. It was a trap. Eternal life turned out to be eternal death. Thus, I began a new life as Deathwalker, the last guardian of a cursed temple. I forgot my name, my values, my life. Everything was left behind. Since then, I have wandered alone through the narrow corridors of this cursed temple, annihilating the foolish adventurers who dared to enter. Eternally alone, eternally dead. I'm assuming solitude is the theme that was used. A Godot game? Godot? Thank you for the full screen option. Is that Galad? Perhaps. How to play. Screenshot it. Keep it over on the side just in case we need it. When you are killed, you die, squid. It's true. All right. They got a map. We got Quiazd. Okay. Combat is a card game. On each turn, you have 3 cards. You can play 2 of them. The third card will be discarded. I hear music. Alright. About Deathwalker. NPC pictures have been generated using stable diffusion. Icons from games icon. Wall decorations are hand edited. Pictures from Wikimedia. Alright, let's do it. I am a living testament to the consequences of tempting the darkness. I had been cursed, doomed to spend an eternity serving a malevolent spirit. I just want to face whatever fate awaits on the other side of oblivion. I am Deathwalker. Alright. Gotta watch the little map generation there. Kind of cool. Alright, has tutorial checked. Movement mode fast. Sound 100. Give me another story. Let's enter. Pac-Man. Okay, strafing. Nice snappy turns. Very nice. There was some text that I missed floating up in the top right. I missed it. I am missing the sunlight. Okay, so these apparently have some text on them. Nice. I missed the rain. Really nice textures. I like that they have these pillars. Perspective is, I feel like I can see a little bit of my wall. There's a thing here, I don't know. Yeah, nice walls, thin walls. Perspective's pretty good. If I need access to these, maybe not so much. It looks like this is a camera just above. Walls with depth, yeah. I miss the warm sunlight. There's bones. All right, so this is look at that angry face. Map. All right. The treasure I hoard serves a testament. All right. A paladin thirsty for glory looks at me with a defiant look. I've traveled my entire life for battles like these. Let's see if your darkness can stand up to my light. Let's start the battle. Demonic shield, 8 points of defense. Scary stance, plus 10 points of defense. Let's go with 10 points of defense. All right, apparently I don't know exactly what that did, but okay. Firewall. Arcane, caused 3 points. It looks kind of like I get to pick 2. 7 points of defense. Causes 5 points of damage, recover 5. I don't need to recover health. 30 damage. Boom. Okay. Let's get 6 points of defense. So my defense is here. Okay, so on my turn, it looks like I get to pick 2 cards. So 2, get rid of 1. Next turn, opponent will deal 1 card only. Okay. So I'm just gonna go for damage. Blammo. Blammo. Okay. No human can kill me. Recover health, and damage. Okay. So I like a game where I get to have choices. The choices seem relatively simple. I'm not overwhelmed with a bunch of different choices. I was able to figure out the combat relatively quickly, easily. Okay. Firewall, damage. Zalos, welcome back to the stream. How you doing, friend? 10 points of damage, heal a little bit, 30 points. I like how this one at least doesn't feel too hard. Okay. With final gasp for breath, the defeated hero lay motionless on the bloodstained earth. So now I get to acquire a new card. Let's go with healing. Healing felt good. I've won a card. Okay, so weird little thing here. If I hover over this, the cursor switches. So I'm trying to click that, but really I need to click the select text here. Okay. Can't move with the map open, which is fine. I'm wondering if there's any reason to come down these corridors. Because I can see where the enemies are on the map. I'm wondering if there's any reason to come down the corridors. Look at this. Look at that. My path is blocked by a sorceress. If dying means saving the ones I love and protecting the innocent, then so be it. Start this battle. Swift death. Boom. And get a little bit of defense. I like the sound effects, they're solid. Defense, sword. Tuber Tugger. We'll heal and defend. That's all I can really do. Ouch. They only get one card, and we'll heal. Okay. So it basically eliminates their choice and it becomes random. Causes 5. Will that get rid of their defense? Nice. Blasted me. Let's do damage and defend. Combat's really fast paced. I like that. I feel like the enemies might have just a little bit too much health. So like the fight feels like it's lasting quite a long time. I would like the ability, and they don't have this, to see what my opponent has so I can play appropriately. So like, I would like to know what cards the enemy has. Maybe if I played enough, I'd be able to know that. Let's damage and heal. Ouch. Ouch. Yeah, I didn't want the combat to last a long time. It's true, my combat is kind of way too long. I agree with that. Okay. I like that. Boom, boom. Do that. I'm glad you like the tactical combat in my game, Tuber. We should be able to just defeat them here. Alright. I liked when they didn't get to make many choices. It'd be interesting to be able to see what my deck contains as well. The fear is a bitter reminder of the divide that separates us, an impassable chasm that can never be bridged. My thoughts turn often to those who might have been had I chosen to prevent my feelings. I found it was pretty busted to use attack plus rest and fully exhaust for movement. Move in, swing, and back off. Were you playing on hard or were you playing on the easy? Like by default, it's on a super easy difficulty. Let's attack and defend. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, attack. But yeah, that is a legitimate strategy, right? Heal, a little bit of defense. Okay. Great little combat. I really think it's great. Easy to play. My choices have consequences. Still some luck involved in it. Kind of makes me want to make my, like, this is making me want to make my own card combat system. So if you can inspire, oh, I meant to do these two. It's okay. Yeah, Zuberden, I'm going like, oh, this like makes me want to really do it a little bit differently. Yeah. Sorry, Tuber. Guess you'll just have to play the whole thing again. All right. Swift death. Heal myself. JD, welcome to the stream.
If you want to feel like you're talking with Captain, let me see if I can do my Captain impression. I am not the Captain, but my eyebrows also move in a way like the captain.
It's gonna be interesting, hard to do the AI opponent. Yeah, it could be really difficult to implement a good AI for this, right? I think that's true. All right, so I'm gonna use this to get rid of their defense and then hit them hard with this. So like this makes me feel, so games that make me feel like I can be smart, even though it's not really that smart, it's an obvious move. I can do this, get rid of their defense, and then hit them with the most damage using that one. I did have a choice there. There was a worse choice to make. All right, so let's see if we can get another interesting choice. So I have a choice here. Do 10. I can do more damage or give myself some defense. I could do both of these. I actually want to do the firewall and confusion. This one doesn't look like it's there's an obvious choice here. So I could do a bunch of damage. I like the idea of making it so the enemy doesn't get a choice, and so maybe they'll get a heal or a weak attack, and then I have the 6 points of defense. Oh, well, never mind. It replaced... Oh, that's interesting. That replaces my defense card there. Well, now I know. All right, let's heal. Yeah, it's way past my bedtime, JD. I didn't stream this morning, so I decided to go ahead and do I was going to play some dungeon crawler games anyway. Why not stream it? So that's why we're here. So we're here on this beautiful day. Obvious choice here. Not obvious choice, but I do like the idea of healing that. Yeah, so I did post on the Discord saying I wouldn't be around, and then on the, if you select the chat, I have it say a little message in there usually when I'm not going to be available or not going to be around. Maybe should have done the other set of things there. All right, let's heal. We could probably beat him if we do this. Oh! Boo! Risk reward. See? Good combat has a risk reward. Alright. Music loop leaves a little bit to be desired there. The music, I like a full stop on me. I like the firewall. Let's go beat this last guy. My path is blocked by a barbarian. Prepare yourself to taste the feast of alcohol. My blade knows no mercy. Let's do it. Blammo. Oh no, wrong button. So I imagine if you played a game long enough, you could learn what cards are in the Barbarian's deck, what cards are in the Paladin's deck, what cards are in the Sorceress deck. I imagine, or at least if I was implementing it, I would do it. Yeah, misclick there, Zalos. And I'll pay dearly for it. Pay through the nose. Let's just see if we can blast through this guy. Barbarian Superstition. Heal Confusion. Take that, Barbarian. Be confused. Blammo. I do feel like I have to make like decisions. They often come up and it's like, okay, well, I do feel like healing 10 to 20 is better. So I will say this decision feels obvious to me. I could gain 10 to 20 hit points and do 10 to 20 damage, or, well, I suppose I could do this and that. Let's heal first and then do this. Oh, come on. Ouch. After killing the heroes, Deathwalker will continue to wander for another day in his abyss of loneliness. I am a living testament to the consequences of tempting the darkness. I had been cursed, doomed to spend an eternity serving a malevolent spirit. I just want to face whatever fate awaits on the other side of oblivion. I am Deathwalker. The weight of eternal solitude presses down upon me like the stone ceilings of this labyrinth lair. I miss the warm sunlight. I miss the rain. I miss the warm sunlights. The treasures I hoard serve as testaments to my power. Are these just all the text that I saw when I was walking around in there? All right, continue. There's a lot of text. All right. Nice little entry. I really liked that one. Not bad. I think random generation is can be done well. Oop, I'm in a web browser, so hitting quit there stalled the game out. Really, really solid entry there. Great work. I would love to, like, this game I feel like could totally be expanded to a full card game. A full card game there. Very nice work. Nothing I've nothing bad to say about this game. Everything felt great. I really enjoyed that one. Let's find the next one. Quite nice implementation, yeah. Going through the spinner trap area. All right, trip trap. Trip trap. Here we go. Trip. Give me a trip trap. JD, have you voted? Folks, don't forget to go vote. Vote. Go vote on what are we going to do next. JD, have you voted? Did you go to sleep, JD? That's okay. All right, Trip Trap's itch.io page. All right, let's put a comment here. Trip Trap. Boom. Pin it to win it. I'm just here for the memes. JD, you gotta vote. You tell me you take for the cloud of disapproval. If you don't vote, you're wasting your look. We live in a
You
place
in the
where,
back. Pay attention.
That's right, Code Monk. Thank you. Pay attention. Get that vote in. You know you want to. Woag. Thank you for the doig, JD. Thank you for the woag. Thank you for the woag. Thank you for the whoa. There it is. All right. Let's Trip Trap. I'm gonna add a timestamp here. Trip Trap entry. JD with those JDs. That's right. JD, you got to give me a picture to add to all the commands. Let's see. Timestamp. This is Trip Trap. 2 hours 31 in here. 2:31. I didn't write the timestamp down. 24. There we go. An entry for Dungeon Crawl WASD. Escape I for options. All right. Just a little pro tip. If it says a full screen option, escape is a bad choice, but let's find out. Unity. All right. So there isn't a full screen option. You can add a full screen option on your Game Jam page. Ooh. Yeah, you got, look, time. Nice music. Ambient, but, melodic. A little feedback on sound effect would be nice. So when I turn this up, how loud is this going to be? I don't know. So having something in here that would play a little sound back for me would be useful. I'm going to put it, I usually like the sound effect to be louder than the music. Trip Trap. Movement feels okay. I can't hold the move. I seem to have in the bottom. It's stolen my mouse, by the way. Just so you know, the game stole my mouse. Oh, bummer. Misclick. Rate for Dungeon Crawler got me. This is where the full screen button would solve that. Let me just go full screen here. Nope. Doesn't solve it. All right. It seems that my movement is tied. Look in the bottom left corner. Yeah, I have a stamina on how fast I can move. Which is interesting. I can't. Okay, there's the rotate. Well, that blob got spiked. Interesting to have the stamina there. I feel like it taught me that there were spikes. All right, I was able to move quickly through that. And the shield protected me. You'll notice that I think it was teaching me that I have a shield. That thing I picked up gave me a shield. In the top right, I'd like to point at, but I can't. Blob. Ooh. Okay, so I kind of need push them into the spikes, maybe. I don't seem to have an attack. Level up. Okay, so I didn't realize I could level up here. If I press I, Vitality and dexterity. Okay, so vitality, dexterity. Neato. Follow the left wall. I'm curious if these are generated or what. The HUD art is gorgeous, yeah. The textures are wonderful too. Okay, so I gotta push this guy, I think. Oh, I've made a mistake, it appears. Okay, so I can push. Okay, I'm gonna need to save up my stamina. Have I messed up here? I probably need to get it to chase me over there now. Interesting. Interesting little game. Neat mechanic. Neat mechanics. Okay, so that bar I think is me leveling up. Okay, this might be an experience bar. Opening the menu, I feel like I should also close the menu. Little quality of life thing there. All right, I think this is... Now I'm slightly turned around. I would like to be able to move a little quicker. Only level dexterity. Well, I was hurting. I needed some life. I didn't want to get blobbed. All right. Part slime, part spider. Yeah, really cool pixel art. Not everyone's cool enough to heal out of combat. It's true. It's true. All right, so I think this is, yeah, where I came from. Okay, so I'm gonna head back. Already been here. Door. Whee! Through the door. Okay, lots of blobs. All right, so that guy will move towards me. All right. Easy. Dexterity. All right, let's speed run it, Tuber, since you asked for it. Wonder if these are randomly generated. Yeah, some great animations, some great models. So even like not like great low poly, the spikes. Okay. Got it. Oh, it's like gonna be like a maze. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get through here, aren't I? Okay. Give me that potion. Yeah. Yeah, I want I to be able to close that. Keep wanting to do that. All right, little perception puzzle. You have to watch the spikes on the ceiling to know where you can go. All right. I like this one a lot. Genius level. All right, well, the perspective is perfect. See, as I approach this, I can actually see which direction I want to turn to go here. It's I'm approaching here. It makes you feel, so like the best games are, the best puzzle games are the ones that make you feel like a genius, right? The puzzle is designed in a way that makes me feel really smart because I'm able to choose the right path without a lot of difficulty, maybe? Or maybe not. Am I gonna have to take a damage? All right, let's try. No, it's not just a bunch of gates. That's right, Tuber Tucker. It's not just a bunch of gates. And levers that you can't see what they do. So, you know. Pro level strats. Alright, we're going to take a damage. There was probably a way through that without taking a hit. No, I have to take a hit. Look, every path has at least one spike coming down from the top. Look, I did my best. Alright, potion me. Let's get more decks. I keep wanting to move fast. Yeah. Zalos, yeah, I agree. Alright, we got Scorpion Blob. Alright, so he's got me noticed. Okay, so I got to get him to follow me into the spike. Well, I've made a mistake. That's okay. Well, that's disappointing. Well, I would really like for that to spike him. See ya there. Does the enemy break trap? Maybe. It might just have to get hit multiple times. And maybe they can't get hit by the same trap more than once. I can't quite tell if these are randomly generated puzzles is the other thing. So good job with that. Wait for my dexterity to regenerate. Oh, that guy's smarter. That was a mistake. So I'm wondering... I'm just gonna bypass that guy, I suppose. Oh, okay. You escaped! Yeah, it was the same room. I was hoping to defeat that enemy. What a solid little game. What a solid little game. Puzzle game. I loved this one. This one was fantastic. Thank you for making it. Credits. Quorum Code, Bit Bonanza, Pixel Health Bar, Pixel Stuff. Great little composition of all this stuff together. Fantastic little game. Controls felt good. I liked the little puzzles that we were doing in there. Excellent stuff. Okay. I think I'm gonna stop there. I know I'm going for 2.5 hours. All right, folks, thanks for hanging out. Let's see if we can find someone to raid. But, fun times. I'll be back tomorrow. I'll be back in about 12 hours. Oh. Yeah, I'll be back in about 12 hours. We'll be streaming some more. Let's go raid Science Streams. I've never been able to raid Science Streams. All right, folks. Raid Science Streams. Hang on, let's go get Science Communicator for some Microscopy Monday, folks. All right, everybody, thank you so much for hanging out. Remember to keep coding, Keep growing. Keep being the best you can be. You're welcome back anytime. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.